everyone, welcome to Jano TV. First question, what is the full form of QUAD? A. Quadrilateral Super Dialogue. B. Quadrilateral Safety Dialogue. C. Quadrilateral Security Dialogue. D. Quadrilateral Secure Dialogue. The correct answer is C. Quadrilateral Security Dialogue. Next question, which country will host the QUAD Summit 2024? A. Japan. B. India. C. USA. D. Australia. The correct answer is C. USA. Next question, how many countries are there in QUAD? A. 6. B. 4. C. 5. D. 3. The correct answer is B. 4. Next question, who is hosting the QUAD Summit 2024? A. Narendra Modi. B. Joe Biden. C. Anthony Albanese. D. Fumio Kishida. The correct answer is B. Joe Biden. Next question, when QUAD Summit 2024 will be hosted? A. 28th September. B. 24th September. C. 27th September. D. 21st September. The correct answer is D. 21st September. Next question, which country hosted the QUAD Summit in 2023? A. Japan. B. India. C. USA. D. Australia. The correct answer is A. Japan. Next question, when was the QUAD group formed? A. The year of 2009. B. The year of 2007. C. The year of 2006. D. The year of 2010. The correct answer is B. The year of 2007. Next question, where is the headquarter of QUAD? A. Japan. B. India. C. USA. D. No permanent headquarter. The correct answer is D. No permanent headquarter. Next question, who is the Prime Minister of Australia? A. Peter Dutton. B. Scott Morrison. C. Anthony Albanese. D. Nathan Albanese. The correct answer is C. Anthony Albanese. Next question, which country diplomatically protested against the formation of QUAD? A. Germany. B. China. C. Russia. D. North Korea. The correct answer is B. China. Next question, what is the name of the military exercise carried out by the QUAD members? A. Equivalent. B. Indra. C. Malabar. D. Hand in Hand. The correct answer is C. Malabar. Next question, which of the new alliances is being speculated to be the end of QUAD partnership in 2021? A. AUKUS. B. BRICS. C. ASEAN. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. AUKUS. Next question, which of the following leaders was not present at the time of formation of QUAD? A. Shinzo Abe. B. Dick Cheney. C. Narendra Modi. D. John Howard. The correct answer is C. Narendra Modi. Next question, which countries are not included in the QUAD group? A. USA. B. Australia. C. Russia. D. India. The correct answer is C. Russia. Next question, how many times Narendra Modi attended the QUAD summit as a Prime Minister of India? A. 2 times. B. 3 times. C. 4 times. D. 5 times. The correct answer is C. 4 times. Next question, where the QUAD Summit 2024 will be hosted in USA? A. Delaware. B. New York. C. Washington. D. Florida. The correct answer is A. Delaware. Next question, who will attend the QUAD Summit 2024 from India? A. Amit Shah. B. S. Jaishankar. C. Narendra Modi. D. Rajnath Singh. The correct answer is C. Narendra Modi. Next question. Who is the President of USA? A. Kamala Harris. B. Donald Trump. C. Joe Biden. D. Barack Obama. The correct answer is C. Joe Biden. Next question. Who is the Prime Minister of Japan? A. Fumio Kishida. B. Shinzo Abe. C. Sostro Kishida. D. Yoshihide Suga. The correct answer is A. Fumio Kishida. Next question. Which country will host Quiet Summit 2025? A. Australia. B. India. C. Japan. D. USA. The correct answer is B. India. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe to our channel.